We want to multiply and divide rational expressions, and then we want to have them in simplified form when we get done. So here we have division, and what we want to do is we want to change that to multiplication. And the way that we do that is we keep the first fraction, we change the sign, and we flip the last fraction when we're multiplying fractions. So keep, we'll write it over here. Keep, we have 4x divided by 5x minus 20. Change the sign, so multiplication, and then flip. So then we have x squared minus 6x plus 8, all divided by x squared minus 2x. And so what we want to do is get it in our most factored form from there. And we see on the left side here, we can factor a 5 out of both of these terms. So we'll have a 4x in the numerator, and then we factor a 5 out, and we're left with x minus 4 in the denominator. Still joined by multiplication. And the next one, we want to factor the numerator here, and we have x squared. So the way that we get that is we say x times x, and then we need two numbers that are going to multiply to positive 8 and add to negative 6. So that's going to be 4 and 2. But to add to negative 6, these both have to be minus signs. Then we see that we have x squared minus 2x. They have a common factor of x. So then we get x multiplied by the quantity x minus 2. Now we can take a look and see what we have in common. We have all factors joined by multiplication, and the only subtraction is inside the factor. So here we have an x minus 4. That cancels x minus 4 in the numerator. And then we have an x minus 2. That cancels the x minus 2 in the numerator. And then we have an x and an x. And what we're left with is just 4 over 5.